and set up the Kingdom of Jerusalem. It traded with cities like Venice and Genoa, but this control lasted only briefly. Unfortunately, the First Crusade was one of the more successful ones. Most of the remaining crusades spiraled into European infighting as the Muslim forces banded together to push the Christians out of the Holy Land. What was the most famous crusade? The Third Crusade is the most famous. It was fought from 1189 to 1192 CE. It is also called the King's Crusade. The Second Crusade ended with the Muslim forces, led by Saladin, capturing Jerusalem. This sent shockwaves through Europe. Pope Gregory VIII decided the defeat must be a punishment from God, so he called for another crusade to reclaim all Christian pilgrimage locations. King Philippe II of France and King Henry II of England immediately pledged loyalty to the cause, and the Pope convinced Holy Roman Emperor Frederick Barbarossa to join as well. Barbarossa's army was impressive. Historians estimate he had between 14,000 and 100,000 men, although only 4,000 to 20,000 were knights.